the bottle flip challenge
With my cousin, Lardet D. Rambaon.
Hello!
And my name is Jody Rambaon. Magbabattle po kami ng aking cousin ng bottle flip challenge.
Opo!
Let's go.
Come on! Oh, coffee, parang sinuna.
Yes! Oh!
Yes! I see them!
Look!
Pop. Are you see?
Yeah! Let's go.
Oh!
I'm...
What? Oh. Traffic.
Oh. And this is my home. This is the
My hometown.
terrace. Terrace.
Hoy! Oh! No. That's no.
Oh! My foot! Oh no! What happened to your foot?
What are you doing with my foot?
I don't know.
Come on, let's try again.
Okay.
Sige, last one na lang to. Kasi tinamaan yung tuhod ko eh. Joke lang. Bilis.
Oh! And let's go. Ililibot namin kayo sa aming bahay. Ta?
Dito naman.
Dito ang aming. And this is my sister. Hi!
Man, let's go to the third floor now.
And this is the
Third floor.
third floor.
Now I see.
And this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom.
Yes, it's my bedroom. It's my bedroom.
This is the bedroom of my
Look, it's my
Tito
bedroom.
and
of
Tita.
my
Let's
mother
go.
and father. Oh, wait.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on, let's try the bottle flip now. Are you kidding me?
Wait for. And this is the terrace. And this is my
third floor terrace.
labas. Come.
Oh, it's so
And
scary.
this is the rooftop. Rooftop. And our fourth floor. There.
It's pretty big now. Oh.
It's a big fourth floor. And this is my light.
Hey, come on, guys. There's
Oh.
the tank.
Oh, town! This is my... Dito kami unang-unang
What's
naglaro
this?
ng mga friend namin. Yan.
With a funny moment.
With funny moment.
Yeah.
Please
Can you type funny moments
Ah,
with
ah.
my friends and cousins?
Yeah.
You type there. And
Yes.
you have a so...
And subscribe there. And this funny moment.
Yeah.
And like and subscribe.
Yeah, that's it.
Subscribe, please.
Oh, come
And-
on. Let's try that.
And this is...
No.
Oh, so very, very beautiful.
Whoa.
Oh, what? Look, there's... Oh, this is my... This is the tower. No. This is the... I don't know to name of
Oh,
here.
there's so many people over there.
Oh, there's many people. And so many cars and house. And there is a tower. I don't know.
Oh, there's a lightning tower.
Oh no! Where?
Oh, it's over there. It's so many over there.
Oh, so many. Ano?
Hey,
House
look
and
at that.
Oh,
Is the
what?
people of the roof?
Where?
There's
Oy.
color gray.
Oh yeah. And this is my cousin one, Paula. Hi.
Kaya Pau!
And then, pupunta po ang isa naming cousin dito. And sana po, yon.
Wait for 1 minute.
Yeah. I don't know. to my cousin. Sobrang tagal niya po.
Hey! Hey! There's a building over there!
Oh, there's the building. Oh my God! So very, very, very beautiful over there.
Oh, so many trees. Oh,
I'm sorry, hindi nyo po kasi makikita kasi po malayo. And ito na lang po, para po, ang house po namin parang hotel.
come on, there's... Oh,
Wow.
there's a light in the
Wait
building.
wait for. Aakyat lang po ako. Wait lang po.
Hey!
Hey, wait for me, wait for me.
Oh,
Wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me.
Mateo!
Wait for me, wait for me.
This is a day tonight over there.
Oh my God, so very, very beautiful.
Hey,
I'm like the pool. And there beautiful pool.
hey!
Oh,
There's
wait.
so dirty.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait for me. Bababa na po ako. Wait for me, wait for me. Oh my God. My,
Wash your foot.
wait for
Wash
me.
your foot now. What
And,
the heck?
and this the foot.
It's so dirty now.
So dirty.
What? Hey!
Ew.
Come on.
And this is my cousin. Lardy, tabagay-bagay niya talaga. And,
Hey.
but ang tagal ng ating cousin. Wait,
Come on.
wait for me.
Let's go to the first floor and there's one cousin. Come on.
My one cousin
Hey.
is so very, very, I don't know to idea.
Hey! Over here!
Over here? Okay.
There's a so long stairs. Let's
So long hagdanan.
come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Oh, I'm so-
14.
I'm so...
There's a one cousin! Come on! Come on, let's go! Run! Faster run!
Hey! And this is my cousin!
And this is my cousin!
Paula!
Hello! Hey, let's try the bottle flip now.
Hey! Battle flip! I'm challenging battle flip! Oh my God! What happened to battle?
Kuya Paulo!
Ayos lang yan.
Fix that!
Para maganda, makikita nila walang tupak na situ.
Hey! No!
I'm sorry.
Hey! Come on, let's play!
I'm sorry.
I'm flip by now, please.
Ay, maglalaro po kami ng Flip the Battle!
Yay! Flip
Oh.
bottle! Oh, what?
Wait.
No, that. Oh, this is a blue bottle!
Sa tool battle.
Subatso.
Let's try this bottle, it's so big.
Do you want try the flip battle?
Yes!
Simple lang po ang inyong gagawin. Kumuha pa kayo ng isang battle at lagyan nyo po ng saktong tubig. At yun po, papatayuin nyo lang po siya.
Ganito po ang mga
Ihagis.
ganito.
Oh, hindi nila nakita.
Oh, diba?
Parang ganyan lang po. Diba?
Like,
Tumayo po.
Paano mo na palipat? Palipat mo na.
Parang ganyan lang po.
Ganun po.
Oh, hindi po tumayo. Oh.
Last one.
Last one to my cousin of Paula.
Oh,
Oh, hindi rin po tumayo.
Hey,
I try it. Oops. Oh, hindi rin tumayo. He tried.
Here.
Oh!
Once more.
One more. Yeah! Oh no! Natumba!
Subatso.
Oh no! The two battle is tumba.
One bottle.
One bottle.
One more.
Yay!
One more.
Yay! The two battle is up! Yay!
In the battle flip challenge.
here! Oh!
Loser!
The two bottle
Loser!
is... Oh!
Loser! Now, ako rin po, hindi ko to matatayo. Hey, come on! Kasi konti lang yung tubig. There's a
Oh! Hey, where's gangster?
gangster over there!
Over there. Bawal niya na
What's
po.
this? What's this?
Oh!
Oh, no!
Oh!
Di po kasi kami marunong.
Oh my God. So,
Tsambahan lang po namin. Katulad po nito, pero...
Do you want to look the pool? Oh, yeah. There.
It's not full.
Kaso nga lang po, kailangan pa po natin akyatin ang mataas na hagdan.
What? Ay, ay, ay! Tignan mo yung ano!
Oh my
Ang
God!
payat mo!
I'm so weary!
Oh, look at my muscle.
Oh my God! Look at that guy!
Hey, look at my muscle.
Oh, so very big!
Wow!
What? Oh my God! I'm
So very happy.
I don't know.
One.
I don't know to say. Oh my God! So baby!
What
Sound
sounds
is
ups?
ups.
What's the
Look
bottle?
at this. Oh my God!
Kuya, huwag kasi dyan. Mamaya mo.
Oh my God! No?
Ah! Nalaglag sa bubong!
Mahulog. Oh. Okay.
may kasalanan.
Okay, kailangan na po nating magpaalam kasi medyo mahaba na po ang ating video.
Hindi, wag! Mapamadal pa tayo!
Oh.
Bye-bye! Panoodin natin. Oh my God! Hindi pa siya napopost.
Oh, what?
Post.